Russian President Vladimir also called PM Modi and strongly condemned a terror attack in Pahalgam. He conveyed deepest condolence on the loss of innocent lives and expressed full support to India.
Yes, this is Russia had already condemned it almost immediately, condemned the terror attacks almost immediately after they took place. And today, President Putin has spoken to our Prime Minister, to Prime Minister Modi, and conveyed in there, again, condolences and again condemned terrorism and said that they stand, with India on this. But again, I think nobody is supporting confrontation. Military confrontation, I think, or any kind of that kind of measure that would lead to some kind of confrontation, military confrontation. So I believe that, as I said, I don't think this is the time for us to go into that because it will be counterproductive, I believe. A lot of people may not agree, but I believe that this is not the right time. And as you know, and I think we've always been saying, our Prime Minister has always been saying that dialogue and diplomacy are, we should find, sort of an era of war, and dialogue and diplomacy are the way forward. So I think other countries are also now trying to get that same message to us and say, you've been saying that, so this should also be your approach. And in any case, I think this is not a good time because it's going to impact our national interest.
Also, has done between India and Japan, and after this, our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said that I would like